marks on the ground. Let's each get on a mark. Yeah, and we want the younger, weaker one in the middle. You're okay, hold on. Don't scare the kid.
Good morning from Islands of Adventure.
Today, we are doing very Jurassic World based things. We're only doing Jurassic World stuff here at Islands of Adventure, and I think we're also going to be going over to Universal Studios Florida because the Tribute Store is closing in the next like 3 days or so. So what we're doing Raptor Encounter. I'm going to do Velocicoaster. She's not. Not feeling it today.
Not feeling it ever, really. I rode it twice, that's enough for the rest of my life.
We're also going to be getting a few different Jurassic World treats.
Yes.
So make sure you come along with us, subscribe, like this video, and we're headed over to Velocicoaster.
I love Velocicoaster, I just don't like riding it, if that makes sense. Like that doesn't make any sense. It's the same thing where like I love everything Halloween Horror Nights, except I'm too afraid to go to Halloween Horror Nights. I will enjoy it from the comfort of my couch. I don't do haunted houses well, but we're gonna go to one.
Just want to point out, Velocicoaster's not running right now. Fingers crossed it's gonna be okay if you zoom in a little bit. But we're headed over there now. Hopefully it's gonna be fine. We're gonna ride it today regardless, whether it be at the beginning of the vlog or the end of the vlog, but yeah, it's not running right now, unfortunately. Velocicoaster is back open. I'm gonna be going to ride it. Isabel is not. I'm taking my camera with me though because I want to show you guys the cool stuff in line, which I don't know if have we done this on our vlog yet, like Velocicoaster?
No.
Like officially? I don't think so. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna head into the line. She's gonna be, do you got any plans while I'm, okay. It might be up to an hour, but as of right now, usually the line doesn't take that long, surprisingly. If it's supposed to an hour, it's only like 45 minutes, but I'm gonna go, so.
We have painstakingly leveraged our existing and growing knowledge of avian and reptile biology.
Velocicoaster was wonderful as usual. I still can't get over the fact that like we have like the world's like #1 roller coaster like in our backyard. I'm a lot more excited than I seem right now. I'm actually trying to find where Isabel's at. She sent me a text saying she was in the gift shop. Let's see if we could find her.
We're at the like gift shop that's in the Discovery Center right now. I like this gift shop a lot because you got dinosaurs.
Excited for your first Raptor encounter?
Yes. I did something in Singapore. I pet a baby dino, but it wasn't like an encounter.
Do you want to explain Singapore?
Oh, Universal Studios Singapore, sorry. It was just somebody who just walked around with a baby dino in their arms, so. Yeah. I don't know what this is gonna be like.
She likes to numb out the buns.
No peeking.
So weird.
Can you tell her no?
This is so fun. I love this. It's so cute. That's so weird.
Let's get on those blue. Careful, she bites.
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
Okay. This is perfect. There are 3 marks on the ground. Let's each get on a mark. Yeah, and we want the younger, weaker one in the middle. You're okay. Hold on. Don't scare the kid. Good. Where are we from?
Orlando.
Orlando. Now you said it before. This is a video, right? So we gotta do something. Everybody wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Can you tell Bravo that it's a video so she'll wave as well? Okay, great job. Let's get you folks out of there.
That was not what I thought it was gonna be.
What did you think it was gonna be?
I don't know. I assumed it would be similar to like, I'll have to try to find the picture. It was literally somebody like when I went, so I did something similar at Universal Studios Singapore. There was somebody like holding a baby dino.
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't know they had like full on like
What?
Big velociraptor.
Yeah, like full. Well, I feel like it's bigger than the raptors in the movies just to fit someone inside of it. Spoiler.
Yeah. Also, just because you wanted them to be like over, you want to be able to see them over top of the people.
I think it's great to get people through quick. If you could tell by some of the recording we were showing you guys before, it's kind of like the person who's the handler who's there is there talking through a mic and pretty much saying like, oh, you know, do this, do a video, photo, whatever. Oh, you know, she's getting close. Oh, get out of there, get out of there. So like it's a very easy, good way.
You're not gonna have people linger.
Yeah, you're not gonna have people with the princesses who are like, I wrote you a little poem. You want me to read? Like, it's not not that they have that huge of a problem in Disney, but you can't do that with Mickey Mouse. You can't be like, oh, get out of here. Like, you can never tell them to leave Mickey Mouse. So you have to like, okay, he needs to move on. Like, would you recommend this, I guess?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. Yeah.
There was kids there that were braver than I was, though.
And we're like, right now, what is it, like 10:15, 10:30-ish? This is a good time to go. I'm sure peak middle of the day, it's probably gonna be upwards to 30 minutes, but we waited maximum 10 minutes in line for that. So 100% do it if you are here. Right now we are headed into Burger Digs because there's a really good milkshake I saw on Twitter like a week ago in there. And I guess that's our first treat for the day. We are sat here on the backside of the Discovery Center, right next to Velocicoaster. I'm sure we'll be hearing it go by and seeing it go by while we're eating. We just got our milkshake, and it is nothing like what we saw online. So this is not what it looked like. I will post the picture of what we saw on Twitter here. I know the little crumble, brownie, whatever stuff is not that much of a difference, but we thought it was gonna be special, but it's not as special.
It could still be really good.
It's still gonna be still really good. I love Frosties, so we'll see. They also serve milkshakes that are the same exact thing over at the Captain America Diner in Marvel Island.
But this is a better view.
This is definitely a better view, for sure. If you're like looking for an excuse to come out here, like this is for sure I would much prefer this.
This balcony is a really good people watching spot because you can get like, you can watch them right as they're going over the peak.
Yeah.
It's very fun to watch people.
I also have my secondary camera with me, which I normally have never, I don't think I've ever taken with me when we're vlogging. But I have a longer lens on that, and I don't know if you can see. I'm going to insert the shot here, obviously, of the coaster going over, but this is actually some really good spots to watch Velocicoaster.
Into the thick of it! Into the thick of it! We're headed over to the other park. We're only doing Jurassic World activities, so we're headed over to the Tribute Store over at Universal Studios Florida right now, because that is still open.
So why are we walking instead of taking the Harry Potter train?
Because the train always has a really, really long wait. Well, almost always. The cars get kind of stuffy.
And they also load at least one or two other parties in there with you, especially if you're a group of two. It's like they seat 6 people, so...
So right now, not interested. I think they actually seat 8.
8?
Yes, they seat 8.
Oh, geez, okay.
Because there was a family of 4 across from us before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, one thing that I do want to mention, we're going between both parks. We are pass holders here. Literally just had to stop to get our passes out. If you guys have any questions on being pass holders at Universal, anything like that, leave them in the comment sections down below. Definitely, like, we love answering any questions people have, especially because the channel is the size that it is now. We can respond to every single comment that we get on this video. So if you guys have any questions about being pass holders at Universal or discounts or anything else like that that we get as pass holders, let us know in the comments, and also let us know where you want us to see, us next when it comes to Universal. Disney, we already have like a whole map of what we're doing, but Universal, it's kind of like, you know, play as we go. So I was just saying this to Isabel. This might be my favorite theme park. And I know that's like not good because Epcot is my favorite theme park, but like if we're talking Disney, Epcot's my favorite Disney park, but this is like, honestly, like maybe my favorite theme park that's not, but also probably, I mean, it's a good contender, I know.
I'm gonna tattle on you.
Don't turn me in, please. Don't get me canceled in the Disney parks culture, please.
Are you ready for your last trip into the Jurassic World Tribute Store? I'm sorry. So last time we were here, Isabel broke this.
It wasn't the last time, it was the first time we were here I broke it.
Okay, well, she broke it before. Now it's working. They do have some new cases too, right?
I like this one. This one's cool.
I like that one a lot too.
Yeah.
Oh, might have broken again.
No, I accidentally clicked it.
Oh.
I saw this one at the other store, but I like these little like metal plaques. If I didn't already have like stuff behind my desk, I think this is what I would go with.
Yeah.
So scary.
Getting a good pick.
So unfortunately, this is the last time we're going to be at the Jurassic World Tribute Store. It's closing as of time of recording in a few days. If you do want to see a full tour, you can check it out at the very end of this video. It's going to be tagged on the right. A full vlog where we tour the brand new Jurassic World Tribute Store. At the time, it was brand new, but it is closing unfortunately in a few days. Check that out at the very end of this video if you do want to see that full tour. The package has been secured from the Tribute Store. Got a very nice cookie. We're headed in a city walk to find a shaded spot to eat it though.
We got one of the only things that we hadn't gotten at the Tribute Store yet. It's
Which
a
is
very large cookie.
Yeah, it's a giant Oreo cookie. The team member that was there suggested that we like not eat it right when we get outside because it was in a refrigerated case. And just wait for it to cool down, but
I'm sure to make it get like ooey gooey.
Ooey gooey.
Because she said it's a chocolate chip cookie that's covered in Oreos.
How is it?
It's good. It is a little dry.
Yeah. I asked her, I was like, is this gonna be dry? And she's like, no, it's pretty good.
The center is very ooey gooey. Are you getting the center even?
Maybe not.
Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Well, based off of one bite, I'll give this an 8 out of 10. This is very good.
Yeah.
I know I rate everything high, but I think once you get to the center part, it's very good. Not that you guys are gonna be able to try this because by the time this video is coming out, the Tribute Store will be closed in like a few days, but
Still fun to rate it.
highly recommend a lot of those snacks coming to Jurassic World over at Islands of Adventure for sure. Hopefully I'll be doing that at least with the cup, what was it called? The
Dig jar.
Dig jar. That would be awesome. That was our Jurassic World day here at Universal Studios Orlando Resort. We did both parks, obviously. Make sure to subscribe, bell icon, like this video. Let us know where you want us to go next when we're here at Universal Studios Orlando. One more thing before we end this. I just want to say this is kind of, should be obvious at this point. Please get vaccinated. I know if you're watching this and you're not a fan of people saying that, I'm sorry, but if you're at this point in the video, you kind of might know where we're at with stuff like that. I'd also like to urge other creators to use their platform to, you know, share this if you are supportive of the vaccine. This is something that needs to be happening stateswide and worldwide. But again, thank you for being here. We will catch you guys next time. I don't know where we're gonna be, but I'll see you guys real soon.